Hi, are you a new blogger who wants to figure out how to turn your blog into a profitable business? Well, we are here to help you. So I'm Jillian.
I'm David.
And we are founders of Catch My Party.
MiloTree.
And I am host of the Blogger Genius podcast. So we are starting a coaching group for new bloggers to become entrepreneurs.
It's a 6-week program. We have teaching sessions every week, Q&A every week, and a private Facebook group where you can ask questions and talk to us about any issues you're having.
Absolutely. We are there for you. And in this course, in the 6-week course, we're going to cover a variety of topics like...
We'll make sure your blog is optimized, running, has the technology in order.
Yes, so you'll know all about the technology without being intimidated. We're going to talk about how to find your target audience. We're going to talk about how to drive traffic to your site. We're going to talk about what products to sell, how to make money online.
Which social media networks you need to be on.
Absolutely.
How to optimize for them.
So we're going to break it down. We're going to make it super easy for you so that you have a whole understanding of what being an online entrepreneur looks like, how to make money, and how to really start this new adventure and build the business and the life you want. So if this sounds interesting, please sign up. It's going to start March 2nd, and we would love to have you. I think we did it.